When I look in the mirror, it's clear what I see, my entire self staring back at me. But in the spaces I learn, the clarity flees. I always see you, I rarely see me.
In today's literary world for children, characters of color represent only a small percentage of what youth and families across the country see during story time.
Clean Juice and Brandon Publishing have partnered to help communities actively visualize a new literary world, a world where we all see each other. For the Never Miss a Monday campaign and your purchase of any children's item, Clean Juice will provide your family with a copy of Brandon Publishing's newly released children's book, Oh Brother, Little Brother. Every purchase gets us one step closer to creating a visually diverse world for our children to live in. So on Monday, be sure to stop by for a healthy treat, and together we'll continue to build a healthier, more equitable community.